Alright, so to tell you the truth, I'm a little exhausted. Um, so basically when I vlog these or film these, it's gonna be a day before you actually see it that I film. No. You see it a day after I film. I'm totally out of it, but today was I had to be at work at 6 this morning, so today started at 4:30 because I'm the kind of person that likes to take my morning slow, have a cup of coffee, make breakfast, and just kind of take the morning slow so I can wake up and adjust to, kind of getting ready for the day and doing what I have to do to just be aware and alert. And that's how today started. That's how every day starts, but today specifically started at 4:30 because I had to be at work at 6. And I'm exhausted from that, and as a result, I'll probably be in bed very early tonight because tomorrow will be a 7 a.m. day where I have to be at work at 7, so I'll probably be up at 5:30. But I wanted to actually just talk about something with the drone because this has been a predicament that I've been having. Also, sorry the lighting in here is pretty terrible, but I've been having a predicament with the drone because it takes a month to get the motors that I need to get, and as badly as I want to order them, like, all right, pretty much my summer is gonna be almost over at that point. So, like, what's the point of doing that? I have an extra motor. The motor was for not the one that broke, so I had this idea that came to me. Well, actually it came to me from my brother, who is an engineer. And I don't know why I didn't think of it, because this is like simple physics, but shout out to him for giving me this idea. So because I have a motor, alright, hold on. So the way, I'm gonna go out into the light. The way that drones work is that it's 4 propellers of a drone. 2 of the propellers, so like, say these are hold on, I'm gonna go grab the drone. I'm like typically pretty scatterbrained when I do anything, but I'm especially scatterbrained right now. Alright, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So, okay, this point and this point will spin the same way. It's to level them on both sides in that direction. This point and this point will also spin the same way. And by that I mean either clockwise or counterclockwise. So this motor is designed to spin clockwise, this one's designed to spin clockwise, counterclockwise, counterclockwise. I don't know if that's actually how it's set up, but or it could be vice versa, but it just has to be the same in the opposite, right? So they gave me an extra motor of 1 clockwise and 1 counterclockwise. And I broke the counterclockwise one first, and then I re-broke another counterclockwise one, but I didn't have another second counterclockwise one, so I figured instead of ordering it right away, I could use one of the clockwise ones, reverse the wires, henceforth reversing the polarity of the wires, and the way that the electrical circuit goes into the motor, so that it would reverse the action of the motor. Therefore, the clockwise motor or counterclockwise motor would spin opposite of its intention. That's a lot. That was a lot. I just did a lot right there. In theory, it makes sense, but I don't know how these motors are built. And I don't know if for some reason it would burn a motor quicker because they're not designed to spin that way, the polarity setup. So I'm like gonna try that probably tomorrow, because tomorrow I don't have as long as a shift and I don't have to be up as early, so I'll have a little bit more thinking space and energy to be able to do that, because it's currently 7:30 and it's feeling like an 8:30 bedtime kind of night. And but I really want to fix this drone because I really want to start flying again. I miss it a lot. It's been like a week and I'm so sad. But I think that it at least would work for a little bit. But I'm definitely going to try and do it tomorrow where I'll reverse the motors. This is going to be a whole segment, fixing drones. That's probably what I'll call it if it turns into a segment. Because I feel like that's how I spend most of my time now, fixing drones. That's pretty much it. I'm exhausted. I'm going to go to bed. But hopefully I'll have more of a positive environment the next time tomorrow when you see another video. Thanks for sticking by these crappy videos. They'll get better. I promise. They'll get better.